loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Beauty and I'm back with another video. As you can tell from the title, today I'll be showing you guys a little get ready with me, and I do my hair and makeup, date night, whatever you want to say. I'm gonna show you guys. So if you're interested in this video, keep watching.
I still love you. I want to talk to you.
Not now, later.
No, now. I still love you. I want to talk to you.
Not now, later.
No, now. I still love you. I want to talk to you.
Not now, later.
No, now. I still love you. I want to talk to you.
Not now, later.
No, now. I still love you.
This is the final look, you guys.
I want to talk to
So if
you.
you're interested in like how I got my hair this color, I would have done a video, but y'all, it was my first time doing it and I just did not want to like mess up. Like I was scared of messing up because like y'all see my hair is very long. I never had any like real harsh chemicals in my hair before, more than like a relaxer, and I feel like everybody had a relaxer when they were younger, but anything like bleach, developer and stuff, I never had that in my natural hair, so I was trying to be
No, now.
more careful. So I did make a video because it's like my first time. If I do this color again, clearly I am, because it's my new color, I'll make a video since I know like the process and how to do it fully. It came out good and I did not cry because I feel like for my first time I did a great job. I feel like it's a good color. It still look kind of little black, but y'all get the picture. If I go on the sun right now,
Not now, later.
it's not gonna look so black. I hope you guys like this video. Please remember to give this video a big thumbs up. Please remember to like and share and comment and tell me what you guys think about this video. If you like it, if you love it, if you don't like it, if something about it was off or whatever the case may be. Tell me what you learned about this video, or like if you're interested in my hair. To be honest, when I did this color, I was a little skeptical because like the color that I bought, Victoria Eye Lift, I think, or I'll put a picture somewhere, like maybe over here, and show y'all because I don't remember the name. I don't know if I'm saying it right. I don't want to say it wrong. But I bought that. I bought red. I bought tree red and tree magenta. Yeah. And I mixed it with a 20 volume developer, in case y'all are wondering how I got this color. If I go in the sun right now, you could see this color is very vibrant, very full of life. My hair looks so healthy. I did not have no shedding, no falling out. I keep this on and I keep the color on because I feel like I used 20 with volume. I actually left it on for like 30 minutes and then I did 15 afterwards because I felt like I wanted more. Like I wanted more time for the process because I did, okay, always do a strand test before you rinse it out, okay?
I want to talk to you.
So before I was to rinse it out after the 30 minutes, I literally do a strength test and it looked dark. Like it looks like it did not lift anything. Nothing did not. I could have seen in the front like it was lifted, but the ends dark. So I was like, damn, like maybe this not working for me. So I said I'm gonna give it 50 minutes because at the time, like, it was tingling on the top. It felt like you was getting a relaxer, but it wasn't burning like a relaxer. It was just like tingling, like it was just tingling. And remember to use petroleum jelly or whatever type of Vaseline or grease you have to put in between the parts and around your earline, okay? Because that's how I don't have no color on my face, is because I did that. You know what I mean? Like, protect your face. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Please remember to press the notification bell so you guys get notified when I post a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.